Hey guys, hope you're good. I wanted to share something with you. I was getting my oil change like you're supposed to every 3,000 miles. Um, I never used to do that before. I used to, Daddy, can you change my oil? And then I'd forget about it if you forgot about it, and then the car would be huffing and puffing, and the next thing you know, Daddy, can you come get me? Yeah, that happened a lot. And then Dave instilled in me, after hearing many of his mechanic stories about fixing people's cars who never got oil changes, and then they had that sludge that was building up. Because you have to remember something, that the purpose of putting oil in the car is to make the engine run. You know, the oil, there's a lot of parts that move together and they rub against each other and create friction, which creates heat. And so you have to have oil in the car to make sure it's running. If you don't, you're just asking for a catastrophe. And you find out people are just stuck on the side of the road and having to call a tow truck and get engine swaps. Didn't do an oil change to start with, probably. It's usually where it starts, or so I've heard. So I've learned the importance of that. But as I was sitting down, waiting patiently for this oil change, it got me to thinking, a lot of times, and not just with our cars, but the question I have for you today is, when was the last time you did an oil change in your faith, or your finances, or your fitness? When was the last time that you got rid of that old oil that's in your life? Maybe it's people that are not good for you. Maybe it's an eating habit of eating all fried foods and going through drive-through after drive-through of fried foods and just fatty stuff. Maybe you need that oil change of spending some more time with God and just talking to Him instead of going one day out of the year. You see, in order for new stuff in your life to come in order for your life to function the way it's supposed to, the way God intended it to be, you have to be willing to let go of the old stuff and pour new stuff in. If you don't, you're going to end up with a lot of internal sludge. The same way that you wouldn't, at least I wouldn't, not get an oil change and let that sludge build up. Make sure you're not doing that in your life, because it could literally be very costly. See, people get so hung up on, it costs too much. I don't have the time. I don't know how to do it. I'm a woman. I've learned how to do an oil change one time thanks to Dave. But even I am not completely confident to do it on my own just yet. Make the time. Go schedule an appointment and go get your oil change. Pay the $41. Depending on the vehicle now, I'm just saying. Don't go tell them, Marlene said it's $41. I want that discount. Don't go do that. Because I will come looking for you. But pay whatever you need to pay and get it done. Because if you don't go and you don't pay that price now, there's a little saying, pay now or pay double later. The price of not getting an oil change, not only in your car but in your life, you're going to need an engine swap. Your heart is going to be tarnished. Your dreams are going to be crushed because you're holding on to so much old stuff. You're hanging around with people that are not good for you. You're hanging on to habits that that are not healthy for you. So my question for you today is, are you ready to do that oil change? Is everything that you're saying that's important to you, is it really that important to you? Or are you just saying that because you want to sound good? Is your business that important to you? Are you really working for it? Yeah, I've had a little reality check these last few days. And as I was sitting down today, just waiting patiently for that oil change to be done, it got me thinking, how often are we changing the oil, not just in our car, but in our life? So make sure you do literally go get that oil change, because I don't want you calling me when you're stuck on 985 or texting me saying I need an engine swap, I need a mechanic, and you didn't go and you didn't get your oil change. Because you know what mama's gonna say. I'm just letting you know. But make sure, out with the old and with the new, you guys. Hope that helps you, and talk to you soon. I have a huge announcement that will be coming by next Saturday, so stay tuned. You don't want to miss. Stay blessed. See you soon.